Alright, today I want to explain something important and I'll tell you why funnels stopped working for me and more importantly, what replaced them. And also please stick to this video till the end. I'm also going to show you my hub personally, how I make use of it and how I build it so that you can have a clear cut idea. Alright, now before going to that, here is a spoiler guys. It was not a new tool. It was not a secret software. It was a hub-based business model. That's it. And once I switched to this, everything felt lighter to me. Now let me explain. Let's move with the first point here. Why funnels feel exhausting, right? This might be your question too. Why funnels feel exhausting? You know, funnels look great on paper, but in real life, they are tiring. Funnels need constant traffic, and if people stop clicking, nothing happens. Funnels need constant ads. You stop spending money, the funnels goes quiet. Funnels need constant fixing and testing. One small change can break the whole thing, right? And with that said, here are the biggest problems. The moment traffic stops, your income stops. That is not freedom, right? That is not a business model. And that is a treadmill according to me. You keep running, but you never really move forward. That's when I realized something was wrong. Well, now let's talk more about what a hub really is. So what is a hub? A hub is a one central place where it's all where your content leads. It's where people keep coming back, and it's where trust grows over time, right? So your hub could be many things. As you can see, it could be a creator profile, a private community, a simple link hub, or a content library or vault. The shape does not matter at all. Okay, what matter is this: a hub is not about pages, it's about presence. You know, people don't just visit once, they recognize you, they remember you, they start to trust you. That changes everything. Well, now why hubs wins in 2026 is the question, right? So I guess you have seen lot many hubs out there in the market after this funnels era. Now let me explain why hubs work better today. First, people need familiarity. People don't buy the first time they see something. They need to see you again and again and again. You know, a hub centers many touch points without selling hard. No pressure, no presence. That builds trust naturally, right? Now when we talk about platforms love depth, okay, today's platforms reward depth, not just clicks, as you all know. They push creators who keep people inside one place. When someone watches more, reads more, or interacts more, the platforms helps them to grow. A hubs makes the same thing over here, and it's very easy to do that. Third is it's one hub, many offers. With funnels, you are stuck. One product, one page, one setup. But with a hub, it's completely different. You can change offers anytime. You can test new ideas, and you can promote different things without rebuilding. One hub, many options. And fourth, trust keeps growing. Okay, funnels resets trust every single step, right? That click, one link, new page, new promise. A hub does the opposite. You know, trust lacks up over time. Each visit makes you stronger, not weaker. That's why my funnel failed, but my hub worked. Well, now let's move with the next slide. the modern affiliate Slack. This is the new flow I use today. It's very simple, guys. Short form content, create short form content, move them to the hub, or else you can make use of funnels to capture leads and move people to your hub. This is also applicable. Like I've also done testing with that and it worked for me. So funnels are not dead at all, but you can make use of that funnels to build your hub. Okay, so here it leads to a hub, right? And next here the hub leads to conversations, and the conversations leads to an offer. So no chasing people, no pushing links, no rebuilding every month, just connection, just trust, just flow. That's it. So let me show you a real example of mine. So how I make use of a hub-based business model. So this is my hub, guys, and people who get registered to my hub, and this is how the dashboard looks like. And here you can come with the community, and here I do all the community posts like announcements, general announcements, and daily video updates. And when you go to the courses section, here you can come across with many different courses what I've created. All right, so people can come here, learn things, and they can do on their own and start doing some miracles. So these courses are well tested, and people are using it right now, and you can see there are around 70 people in my community, and my goal is to build this community to anywhere around a 50,000 to 1 lakh people. All right, so in courses section you will be coming across with the courses, and in leaderboard this is how people get interact with your content. So you can see there are points available over here. The more points they earn, the more perks they unlock. Okay, and here is the about section. And when it comes to the resources, here I've given free resources to my community, but you can also recommend affiliate programs and affiliate resources over here, so that once people start clicking it and make some purchases, you earn the commission. Okay, there is no need to create a single funnel for each and every product. Everything holds in a central hub, so people come and make use of it. And also in courses section, once you start creating your courses, you can also recommend few affiliate products or few platforms which is trustworthy for you. And also if anyone makes a purchase with the recommended link, you earn a commission in this courses section also. Okay, there are few options, like if I open any of my course, let me show you. See, you can see a resources option, and here it is a clickable button. So if anyone click this, I recommend people to click this resource. It's free resource for my own community, but you can also refer paid resources to your community. All right, so if anyone clicks this, they go and land on the resource. Okay, and if they make a purchase, you earn a commission. So that's with courses. Leaderboard, as I said, earn more points and unlock more rewards. Resources is like you can include affiliate links over here and affiliate programs over here. And when it comes to the calendar, here in the calendar section, I can like create new events. I can go live each and every day I'm talking about, or else once in a week, twice in a week, it's depend upon you. So here I go live, teach my community, interact with my community, and build my trust. All right, so apart from this, you can also include redirecting people to your website, to your profile page. Okay, and also you can also encourage your community members to do some posts and interact and build their network inside your hub-based business model. All right, guys, so this is how it works, and I hope you understood how this hub-based business model works and why it's completely different from funnels. I make use of funnels to redirect people, but I don't depend on that. Okay, here what I do, all the magic happens inside my community. So guys, if you like to know how to build this kind of communities, websites, hubs, even with funnels, then you are most welcome to watch my free masterclass. First link from the description or from the channel page or in the bio. Go click it, get registered. And if you need this kind of hub-based business model for your business, then you can please reach out to me, email me. I'm here to help you out to get the same kind of setup for your business. All right, so that you won't be depending on multiple platforms. Like for live, I'm doing it from my community. Okay, so trust builds over here. I'm not making use of any Zoom or any third-party applications. And when it comes to chat, it has inbuilt. And when it comes to like doing some gamifications, it's inbuilt in the community and in my inside my hub, right? So that's it. If you're interested, you can please watch the masterclass, get into my community. I'm there to help you out to set up you a brand new community for your business. Catch you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.